To show the camera cutout for a specific app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap camera cutout. Find the app you want to adjust. You can either scroll down the screen or use the search icon to find the app quickly. To do so, tap the search icon at the top right and then type the app name. As the example, we will do so for Google Maps. Tap Google Maps and then select Show Camera Cutout to display the front camera area, allowing the app to use the full screen, including the area around the camera. To see the result, open Google Maps. As you can see, your phone will show camera cutout in this app. It gives you full screen navigation to let you see more of the road without losing space to black bar and give you a clearer interface. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.